Hello guys, welcome back to the channel KD Stocks. My name is Karan Desai and let's start with our trading video. So today it's 2nd of March 2020 and the time is 9:13 at morning. So let's go to our terminal. You can see that we have today around 8.23 thousand as our opening balance. To be very precise, we have around 8,227 rupees as opening balance. We haven't taken any positions, we don't have any holdings, no order, nothing. Let's go to the graphical section. So it's a minute chart of the Nifty index on the screen. Let's turn out to the daily. So on screen you could see that a daily chart of the Nifty index. So let's start with the marking with our resistances and the supports. So I can see one resistance forming. Let's mark it with a horizontal line. So it's the below somewhere here. Okay. The pre-opening market session of today has already closed the Nifty at the positive opening. It's around plus 1.66% than the previous closure, and you can see that the Nifty has opened with a positive 2%, which is a great start for the day. And so it's a good day to start with the call options, because the call options are the something which grows along with the index itself. And so we are going to trade today with the Nifty call options. So now let me select one. So it's using 11750 call option for the Nifty index. Now the reason I chose it is because of its price level. It is quite less, so that it will allow me to buy a bulk quantity. And here we are done with selecting the call option. Now let's give the Nifty index some time space to form a good pattern to rely on. And so after waiting for a while, you can see that the Nifty has formed a good pattern to rely on. I have also drawn a line of support below it at the level of 11,310, because on the last Saturday it had the level of the 11,310 had a great resistance forming. You can see on the graph here, and so the same resistance of the Saturday is supposed to turn into support for the today, which is what I expect today. So let's see if the Nifty touches the support line and return back in the upward direction, or it just falls down. Let's see, let's wait. So guys, as you could see on the screen, the Nifty has touched our line of support and it's just returning in the upward direction. So we are quite accurate with the line of support. So let's give some more room to the Nifty to form some more candles in the upward direction to confirm the upward trend. So now let's go on drawing the trend line to make some more consolidated confirmation. So drawing a trend line from the bottom and dragging it down in line with the top of the candle here. Okay, so this is one of our trend line we have drawn. Now I can see some another small resistance forming up here. Let me mark it. And the reason why I'm marking it here is just to make some more consolidated confirmations regarding the upward trend. Now since we are done with drawing all our resistances and the trend lines, let's go for the buying side. Let me keep the buying bracket ready. So I will be going with around 300 of the quantities today. Now the reason why I've chose to go with 300 quantities is to have a plan to go with a bulk of the quantities, because the option I'm looking to buy here today has already low on price, so I don't find a great room to make a move of 6 points and 7 points here right at the present moment. So I'm expecting it to have the moments of the 2 points from the buying side to make a considerable profit with a small move and the bulk of quantity. Now it seems the market is quite ready to take our order for buy. So let me place the buying order at the limit of 8.7 rupees for the 300 quantities. And guys, we are done with our buy. This is the positions we are holding right now. So guys, as you can see that Nifty has finally came up, and since the price of the stock we bought today is spiking, so I'm planning to sell it at rupees 11.3. So let me place the order here at 11.3 rupees for the selling, and the order is finally placed. And so guys, let's wait and watch our trade how it goes to our target. And so guys, we are done with our trade. We have completed our selling and we have made a profit of around 780, and that's almost about 30% of the invested amount of rupees 2600, because we had bought 300 of the quantities at the price of 8.7, which forms 2610. So guys, we have finally made a 30% on our investment, earning us around 780 rupees, which is quite enough for the day. So that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and keep watching KD Stocks.